Japheth kasi mahilig siya sa music, but hindi masyado sa OPM. Apparently, lately niya lang narinig yung palagi. Sabi niya pa sa akin, ay may paparinig ako sa'yo, ang gandang music pwede natin magamit. Di man araw-araw na
nakangiti. Hi Christine, the day I first met you, Moon of Desire, noong 2014, mula sa pagsabay-sabay mo sa service namin, sa pagpapabili mo ng chocolate sa mga tao ko, syempre di naman na ako magre-reklamo. Yung mga tao ko, titingin lang sa akin if mag-go ako. Nung program ender party, I had the courage to express everything I felt about you. At mula noon, hindi na ako tumigil sa pagmamahal sa'yo.
Japheth kasi technically yung parang first legal boyfriend ko, technically. So, the moment na we turn our relationship into a more serious level, naramdaman ko na I am blessed with a kind person. Yung merong good intention. Ayun, and I know na yung taong alam mo yun, alam mong pinagtatanggol ka. Miss you, love you sa wakas from Mr. T. Kung balikan man ang hirap, luhat lahat.
Dear Japheth, surprise, haha. Pangarap natin to. Ito na, yehey. Can't wait to see you later. Mrs. T. Okay, so couple watch na kami. Di ko pagpapalit, hindi mo sa mundo. Oh, eto tayo. Sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa'yo. Harap na! Ganda, Caitlyn? Ganda? Ikaw din! Ulitin man, nais kong malaman, iyo ako.
Sa pagkukulang natin, ang Diyos ang pupuno. Sa kahinaan natin, ang Diyos ang magiging lakas. Gawing sentro ng buhay ang pagmamahal ng Diyos. At nakasisigurado ako, ang buhay ninyo bilang mag-asawa, hindi magiging madali, pero magiging masaya.
Sa huli, palagi, babalik pa rin sa yakap mo.
I was witness on all your victories and challenges. I always try to make a point that I'm always there for everything. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, tayo na lang magkakampi. Huwag ka na lagi nang aaway. You are the first person I want to see in the morning kahit lagi ka late magising, and the last person I want to see and talk to at night. You know me better than anyone else in this world, and somehow you still manage to love me. You are my best friend, my one and only.
Dear Japheth, baby, my husband. 10 years ago, we were just workmates, turned friends, turned boyfriend and girlfriend. And now, here we are with our future before us. Finally, it's been 10 long years. Ang haba ng journey natin together, and today, finally, we make it.
Marami na kaming pinagdaanan kasi 10 years na kami. Yun nga, best friend ko rin si Christine. Andyan siya nung panahon na madilim ang ating buhay. And hindi siya sumuko. Kaya ganun din ang gagawin natin sa kanya. Hindi rin tayo susuko. Para sa pag-ibig.
Love is patient. Love is kind. It is not jealous. It is not pompous. It is not inflated. It is not rude. It does not seek its own interest. It is not quick-tempered. It does not brood over injury. It does not rejoice over wrong.
Christine, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Japet, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Today is the first day of spending the rest of our lives together, and I could not be more excited. Ikaw ang isa sa biyayang binigay ni Lord sa akin. Pero ngayon pa lang, natatakot na akong isipin ng buhay na wala ka. Naiisip ko, if I will live until 100, how am I able to feel my love for you for 65 years? Parang kulang. I promise to always be there for you through good and bad. I promise to support you and encourage you.
Ikaw ang aking pinakamamahal at pangako kong ikaw ang magiging kasama ko habang buhay. I promise you that I would listen to your advice and maybe sometimes take it. I promise to grow with you and build a better life each day as we learn from each other to be patient, kind, giving, and to always cherish each day together. Mahal kita, Christine, palagi.
I promise to push you to whatever your heart desires. Thank you for always supporting me, for understanding all my craziness and grumpiness. You are the love of my life. Let's make a beautiful adventure together, filled with love and laughter. Love, Mrs. T.
And action.